1. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $18,500, located, Independence, Kansas. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a pro-street project that offers an excellent platform for enthusiasts looking to build a powerful classic muscle car. The vehicle has 123,567 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in yellow with a black interior. According to the seller, the Camaro has received several interior upgrades, including new carpet, new seats, and new door panels that give the cabin a refreshed appearance. The chassis is equipped with a narrow 12-bolt rear axle featuring aggressive 4.88 gears, while brand new tires have been installed at all four corners. The vehicle is currently being sold as a roller configured for a big block Chevrolet engine and turbo 400 transmission, allowing the next owner to complete the drivetrain to personal specifications. The seller also offers the option to purchase the car as a turnkey package with a 496 cubic inch big block engine and a new Proform carburetor for an additional price. The paint shows age but still presents well from a distance, and the clean title is registered in the seller's name, making this Camaro a solid foundation for a future street or strip performer. 2. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $54,000, located, Braidwood, Illinois. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova SS Tribute has been transformed into a professionally built pro-street machine that combines classic muscle car styling with exceptional performance. The vehicle has approximately 10,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in green with a black interior. Under the hood is a powerful 462 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with a Dyer's 671 supercharger and Brodix cylinder heads, delivering impressive horsepower and unmistakable visual appeal. Power is transferred through a JW-built turbo 400 automatic transmission connected to a fabricated Ford 9-inch rear axle with a 4-link suspension system for maximum traction. The car also features power steering and 4-wheel power disc brakes, making it easier to drive while maintaining excellent stopping performance. Inside, the Nova retains a stock-style interior that complements its classic appearance. The seller states that the vehicle has remained with the same owner for the past 25 years and has been carefully maintained throughout that time. Combined with newer tires and a clean presentation, this Nova offers an outstanding opportunity to own a well-built pro-street Chevrolet that is equally suitable for shows, cruising, and occasional drag strip use. 3. 1972 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $12,000, located, Warrenton, Missouri. This 1972 Chevrolet Vega is a lightweight drag racing roller that provides an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to complete a competitive race car or custom pro-street build. The vehicle has approximately 12,345 miles and includes a clean title, making it possible to return the car to street use if desired. The chassis features a 3/4 race construction with ladder bars and a Dana 60 rear axle, providing a strong foundation capable of handling substantial horsepower. Although the current chassis certification has expired, the seller believes it can be recertified to the 8.50 second standard. The car is already configured for a small block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission and includes both motor and mid-plates. Lightweight components include a one-piece fiberglass front clip, fiberglass hood, fiberglass rear hatch, and Lexan windows throughout most of the vehicle while retaining the factory side glass. Additional parts included with the sale are a new fuel pump, AFCO rear coilover shocks, wheelie bars, strange front coilover suspension, disc brakes, rotors, and a fiberglass front bumper. This Vega is an outstanding platform for racers seeking a lightweight and versatile competition car. 4. 1990 Toyota Supra Turbo Hatchback Coupe 2D. Price, $20,000, located, Cookeville, Tennessee. This 1990 Toyota Supra Turbo Hatchback Coupe 2D has been purpose-built as a competitive drag racing machine with a focus on consistent bracket racing performance. The vehicle has approximately 1,234 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in black with a matching black interior. According to the seller, the Supra features a professionally constructed back half chassis with a 4-link rear suspension and a Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with aggressive 5.00 gears. Power comes from a 408 cubic inch Windsor small block Ford engine operating on alcohol fuel and paired with a Powerglide transmission equipped with a Pro brake system. This combination has been set up specifically for Super Pro bracket racing and is reported to produce highly consistent elapsed times in the 6.40 to 6.50 second range. The seller notes that a complete specification sheet is available in the listing photographs for buyers seeking detailed technical information. Located in central Tennessee, this Supra represents a unique blend of iconic Japanese styling and proven American drag racing components, making it an excellent choice for serious racers looking for a dependable and competitive track-ready package. 5. 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Price, $28,000, located, West Islip, New York. This 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo has been professionally prepared as a race-ready street and strip machine featuring an extensive list of high-quality performance upgrades. The vehicle has approximately 1,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is finished in black with a matching black interior. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 383 cubic inch engine producing approximately 643 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, built with billet main caps, CNC-ported cylinder heads, and an 11.2 to 1 compression ratio. The drivetrain includes a TH350 transmission equipped with a trans brake, a PTC torque converter, a chromoly driveshaft, and a Ford 9-inch rear axle with 4.11 gears. Suspension improvements feature AFCO double adjustable shocks and tubular control arms, while Willwood 4-piston brakes with drilled rotors provide excellent stopping capability. Inside, the Monte Carlo includes new carpet, scat racing seats, a Grant steering wheel, a precision shifter, a 10-point roll cage, and 5-point safety harnesses. Additional equipment includes an arc switch panel, MSD ignition system, MagnaFuel fuel pump, 12-gallon fuel cell, billet specialties wheels, and several spare parts, creating a complete package ready for competition or weekend performance events. 6. 1979 Ford Mustang drag car. Price, $15,000, located, Shrewsbury, Massachusetts. This 1979 Ford Mustang drag car is a fully prepared competition vehicle built for racers who want a dependable machine capable of heading straight to the track. The vehicle has approximately 1,111 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Power comes from a massive 521 cubic inch engine based on a factory Ford 460 block and fitted with AFR 295 cylinder heads, an AFR 4500 intake manifold, and an 1100 Dominator carburetor. Internal components include scat connecting rods and crankshaft, Keith Black forged pistons with an 11.5 to 1 compression ratio, RP fasteners, a Crane solid flat tappet camshaft, Comp Ultra Pro Magnum rocker arms, a Cos oil pump, and a Moroso 7-quart oil pan. The drivetrain features a professionally built C4 automatic transmission by Accurate Transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear axle with 3.80 gears, a spool, and 35 spline axles. Additional upgrades include racing brakes, a UPR chromoly K-member, anti-roll bar, and a 10-point roll cage that was recertified in May 2026. The seller states the car consistently runs in the 9.30 second range while being set up for 9.50 index racing, making it ready for immediate competition. 7. 1972 Chevrolet Vega wagon. Price, $45,000, located, Ossining, New York. This 1972 Chevrolet Vega wagon is a rust-free Arizona vehicle that has been professionally transformed into a pro street and drag racing machine while retaining its distinctive wagon body style. The vehicle has approximately 300 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in orange with a black interior. Power comes from a freshly built 406 cubic inch engine designed to operate on pump gasoline, making it suitable for both street driving and racing events. The drivetrain includes a TSI Turbo 400 race transmission equipped with a trans brake and a high-performance 6,000 stall torque converter. The chassis features a professionally constructed 4-link rear suspension, a Ford 9-inch rear axle with a Detroit locker differential, and aggressive 4.56 gears for excellent acceleration. The seller states that the car is certified to 8.50 seconds for the next 2 years and currently runs approximately 10.60 seconds naturally aspirated. Retaining its original steel body and factory glass while adding only a fiberglass hood, this Vega wagon offers an outstanding combination of classic appearance, professional race engineering, and dependable performance for both street cruising and weekend drag racing. 8. 1976 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $15,500, located, Reidsville, North Carolina. This 1976 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a classic American muscle car that combines fresh mechanical upgrades with an excellent foundation for future improvements. The vehicle has approximately 1,234 miles on its rebuilt drivetrain, features a 5-speed manual transmission, and is finished in blue with a black interior. Under the hood is a recently installed 402 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine with fewer than 1,000 miles of use, providing strong V8 performance and dependable operation. The drivetrain also includes a Yukon Posey traction rear differential with 3.73 gears, offering improved traction while maintaining comfortable highway cruising characteristics. According to the seller, the vehicle has a clean title and remains in good mechanical condition. Cosmetic work still needed includes repairing rust in the lower rear quarter panels, although replacement patch panels are included with the sale. The headliner also requires installation, and the windshield wipers are currently not functioning. Despite these remaining tasks, this Camaro represents an attractive opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a solid big block project that is already running, driving, and ready to be enjoyed while additional restoration work is completed. 9. 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D. Price, $13,500, located, Williamsburg, Virginia. This 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D is a purpose-built pro-street race car with an impressive competition history and lightweight construction. The vehicle has approximately 1,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is configured for serious drag racing applications. According to the seller, the chassis was professionally built by Chuck Burkhardt in Decatur, Illinois, using round chromoly tubing throughout for exceptional strength while keeping overall weight to a minimum. Formerly campaigned as an NMCA Pro Street car driven by Greg Clare, this Monte Carlo features a strut-style front suspension, a 4-link rear suspension with a wishbone locator, and a Ford 9-inch rear axle fitted with aggressive 4.56 gears. Additional drivetrain components include Mark Williams 40-spline floater axles and an aluminum bolt-through center section designed to handle substantial horsepower. The body is constructed almost entirely from fiberglass, with only the roof skin remaining steel, resulting in an exceptionally lightweight race platform. Set up for a big block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission, the car also includes an MSD ignition system and build photographs. The seller states the chassis has previously exceeded 214 miles per hour and remains an outstanding choice for grudge or bracket racing. 10. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $12,500, located, White House, Ohio. This 1978 Chevrolet Malibu is an Oklahoma-built pro-street project that offers an excellent combination of classic styling and proven performance components. The vehicle has approximately 12,345 miles, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is finished in orange with a gray interior. Power comes from a substantial 505 cubic inch engine paired with a turbo automatic transmission, creating a solid foundation for high-performance street or strip use. The drivetrain is supported by a fabricated Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with strange axles for improved durability under demanding conditions. According to the seller, the remaining work primarily involves completing portions of the electrical system, including wiring for the electric water pump, cooling fan, lighting, ignition, and starter. The vehicle is offered exactly as shown, allowing the next owner to complete the project according to personal preferences. Despite requiring final assembly, the major performance components have already been installed, making this Malibu an appealing opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a custom pro street build without starting entirely from scratch. With its aggressive appearance and quality drivetrain foundation, it has excellent potential for both street cruising and weekend racing. 11. 1974 Chevrolet Vega Wagon. Price, $42,500, located, Franklin, Ohio. This 1974 Chevrolet Vega wagon is a professionally prepared bracket racing machine that combines lightweight construction with consistent on-track performance. The vehicle has approximately 800 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in blue with a black interior. According to the seller, the car is powered by a newly built 385 cubic inch engine that has accumulated only 6 passes since completion, providing confidence for its next owner. The drivetrain includes a BTE 180 racing transmission connected to a Ford 9-inch rear axle featuring a professionally engineered 4-link suspension system for dependable traction during hard launches. The seller states that the vehicle consistently runs in the 6.20 second range, making it highly competitive for bracket racing while maintaining excellent reliability. The interior and exterior are described as exceptionally clean, reflecting careful ownership and regular maintenance. This Vega wagon represents a rare opportunity to own a race-ready classic with proven performance and a distinctive wagon body style that stands out from more common competition vehicles. It is offered as a turnkey package for serious racers seeking consistency, durability, and professional preparation. 12. 1976 Pontiac Lemons. Price, $40,000, located, Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1976 Pontiac Lemons is a professionally built magazine-featured pro street car that combines classic Pontiac heritage with extensive custom performance upgrades. The vehicle has approximately 3,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in a stunning candied burgundy paint with custom graphics and a mirror-like finish. Built with an all-steel body and factory glass, it is powered by a 400 cubic inch Pontiac engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission and professionally prepared for a BDS 871 supercharger with Edelbrock carburetors. The drivetrain also includes a Ford 9-inch Moser rear axle and removable wheelie bars for added racing capability. Additional upgrades include chrome 4-link suspension, coilover shocks, a professionally fabricated back half chassis, bead-rolled aluminum panels, electric fuel pump, electric water pump, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, 3-inch stainless steel exhaust with electric cutouts, arc switch panel, LED lighting with blue halo headlights, and weld wheels fitted with Mickey Thompson tires. The seller also includes a copy of the magazine featuring the car and a new instrument panel currently being assembled. This unique Pontiac is offered due to health reasons and represents an exceptional opportunity for collectors and performance enthusiasts alike.